Hi, I'm Chukwuemeka from Nigeria. I'm the co-founder of Upshore Robotics, an agricultural drone startup that helps African farmers detect and mitigate crop diseases while improving their crop efficiency. 8 to 12 metric tons of food are lost annually in Nigeria to crop diseases. Farmers are continually confronted with limited actionable information on where and when to apply available resources such as water, fertilizers, and seed needed to maximize their crop output. To address this problem, we started Upshore Robotics, which is an AI-enabled platform that uses precision drones with sensors that detect chlorophyll alterations in plants during photosynthesis and sunlight. Agriculture accounts for 25% of Africa's GDP, which generates an annual revenue of over $35 billion and provides 85% of the job on this continent. We're asking for your investment so as to enable us harness this huge market opportunity, and with your support, our startup will be well positioned to address and close this gap. Together, let's digitize farming and help to actualize the dreams of hardworking farmers in Africa. Thank you.